Okay, introducing the extended non-verbal communication improvisations. So I'm going to read this out for you and explain why I've made these claims. So this is a hands-on workshop that will support both developing and experienced teachers in a logical, practical way to give them the skills to more fully engage the students in the drama room. Okay, so what I'm talking about here is basically student-centered learning. It's basically engaging them in something, an activity that's obviously going to be interesting to them, challenging, and therefore enhances their learning experience. This program will include the setting up of the ritual of respectful behavior, understanding the students' individual learning gifts, and encouraging a creative, collaborative working environment that forms the framework for the teaching of all current drama education content. Yes, you're saying, how can he claim that? Well, you see, basically what I'm talking about here is that setting up rituals of behavior is very important. I actually call this workshop creating a healthy ensemble, because basically your drama group is an ensemble. If you treat them as though they are a working theater company, if you endow them with this, they more often than not rise to the responsibility you've given them. So there's ritual behavior, like how you treat each other, of course. You set the guidelines down, and this is a great workshop to talk about those things because it emphasizes the skills of everyone. Not everyone has to be a loudmouth actor to be successful. Everyone has something to offer. So this is what creates a healthy, respectful relationship within the classroom. Even respect to the room that you're in. It's a great introduction. Okay, by engaging and challenging students to take ownership of their own learning is the principal focus of this workshop. Participants will engage in a dynamic, practical workshop that aims to develop a systemic approach to fostering a new ensemble. So here I am talking again about treating the class as an ensemble. I mean, like my interest, for 45 years has been Commedia, and Commedia is ensemble theater. It's basically the theater, the days of the theater before the actor-director was created, or should I say the writer was created. It was just actors getting together and putting on a play. So, a true ensemble. Finally, by encouraging the students to recognize and embrace their own strengths and celebrate those abilities with their classmates, students gain an appreciation of the ensemble theater learning environment and skills that will extend beyond the drama room. So what I'm saying here is that it's great as an orientation for the year because it sets the tone or working relationship for the rest of the year. And it might even extend past the drama classroom and into their daily lives in the school environment. Okay, so I hope you enjoy my workshop. I've broken it down into very clear, it was 9 sections, I believe, of step-by-step process, because the end result is the summary, the feedback you give to the students about what they just did is the most important part of this 2-hour or hour-and-a-half workshop. Enjoy.